In manufacturing, heavy machinery does the heavy lifting, but it doesn't care who you are. One split second of distraction, a bypassed guard, or an unexpected startup can change a life forever. Welcome back to Work Safety Guru. Today, we are breaking down the ultimate guide to machine safety. Let's start with the basics. Where does the danger actually live? Rotating shafts, nip points, and moving parts create invisible traps. If a glove, sleeve, or loose hair gets caught, the machine won't stop. It will pull you in before your brain can even process what is happening. That is why engineering controls exist. Physical guards, light curtains, and safety interlocks aren't there to slow down production. They are your absolute last line of defense. Bypassing a safety guard to save a few seconds is a trade-off no job is worth. According to ISO 12100 standards, machine safety starts with a proper risk assessment. Step 1. Identify the hazard. Step 2. Evaluate the risk level. Step 3. Implement reliable risk reduction measures, starting with inherent design, followed by guards, and finally, administrative controls and PPE. Remember, rules and standards are written to ensure you go home safely to your family every single day. If you found this guide valuable, hit that like button, subscribe for more industrial safety insights, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Stay safe and work smart.